Hey guys, how you doing? It's a very hot day in Sunderland today. I'm just going to Aldi and I found a fridge. So I'm going to show you how to find the model number. This is a Hotpoint. It's like a fridge freezer, and it's got number in here. But if you have your fridge for a long time, this number may no longer be there. So we're gonna find another way to determine the model number, and that's to find the sticker inside. There you go, and the model number is gonna be on it. So that's a lovely Hotpoint fridge for free, and I'm gonna leave it for someone to take it.